It doesn't do it justice when you see online. You have to actually be in person. This is amazing.
All right, so we're back at the Tesla delivery center in Tampa. My buddy's picking up his Cybertruck. We're gonna check it out and give you guys a checklist, first impressions, and just pretty much the setup of the car. So, all right, so now that you're in the car, what do you think about it?
It doesn't do it justice when you see online.
I agree.
You have to actually be in person for this to really set in on how it feels, and this is amazing. It's amazing.
What do you think about the rear view mirror? Because people sometimes say it's like kind of skinny.
So it's
definitely tiny.
The tonneau cover's down right now, so I can't see anything anyway. So I got to figure out, put that down and take a look. But I'm curious to see what it looks like when we put the rear view camera up here. So I don't think it's
not on these?
No, that's not what it looks like. It should be small.
Oh, I don't remember thinking about the charging port
Right.
on it. I'm assuming it's the same place as everywhere else.
It's right here.
Oh, it's like in the wheel well.
Yep.
What do they recommend charging the Cybertruck like day to day? Obviously, you probably won't be driving it day to day, but
The new Model 3s and whatnot, they were coming out with those new batteries where you can charge it to 100. I'm not sure what it's recommended for here.
I know it's 3 different tiers of Cybertruck you can get. Which one did you get? Like dual motor, single motor?
The dual motor, but this is the foundational series.
What does that mean? I saw foundation on the side.
Extra 20 grand on top of that, and then you get the 35-inch wheels. They give you a wall connector at home for charging.
Mm-hmm.
They give you the I think it's called the gateway, where you have the power share that you can use your car to charge your home in the event of a power outage. So that comes with it as well. Lifetime premium connectivity.
Free?
For free.
Oh man, I'm paying $10 a month, dude. Sheesh.
Free. Full self-driving, autopilot, all that comes with it.
Anybody who's ordered a Tesla before, I'm pretty sure he knows as well, it comes with a Tesla referral code. So feel free, I'll put both of our referral codes down in the comments below. Everybody likes free stuff, so you can use either one of our referral codes. You can get 10,000 free supercharger miles, and just some accessories you can get after the fact. So I know included in that is the free supercharger miles, which a lot of people like, the full self-driving for a couple of months, and some other things that you can get in the Tesla shop. So make sure, if you're checking out this video, check out the referral codes in the link below.
I don't know how to put this in drive or reverse. Let me see something.
I think it's the swipe, the swipe gesture. Yeah, I think most people said that when they back up, they just use the cameras. But I think we gotta close this.
Yeah, let's close it. That's manual. What I'm curious to see is how it actually moves, because the car's big, but what I've heard it still feels small. It still feels like a Tesla.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's a big car, but it doesn't feel like it's too much space in here. But everybody gonna sit like comfortably in here.
Right.
You got a lot of extra space right here for whatever.
I'm wondering if they have any third-party things that are going to go down there.
What's the 0 to 60 on your configuration?
I'm gonna say it's 4.1. So we gotta see that.
Dude, that's fast for a freaking truck, man. Right. I know it's like a feature where you can like lift the suspension of the car and lower it.
Yeah, so right now we're sitting at medium. Let's actually take it to entry. I'm guessing that's lower than low.
Is it? I don't even feel like moving, really.
Did you see it drop? Let's go from here to high.
Oh, I feel that.
Feel it now. All right.
Dang.
So you can program a location to have it.
But I wonder how that affects your mileage though. Like as you're driving, like if you have it lower or higher, I would imagine lower.
Yeah, I mean,
your range is what it is.
I would think you would just put it here if you're going to climb up something, or if you have like a high, let's say driveway or whatnot, and you want to have it programmed to that location. Because I mean, it says it only keeps it to 25 miles per hour.
Yeah, so that'd be good. Like I would imagine most
or speed bumps.
Yeah, and garages, like most heights are normal, but if you go to like a city parking garage or something, or even like a personal house, if the height on it is a little bit different, that's a good feature to have.
Yep.
And this fits in a normal garage.
Yeah, so it's under normal garage is 20 feet in length, and I want to say, I don't know the exact length of this, but it's just under maybe 10 to 16 inches or whatever it is. Basically,
the 2024 Model 3 that I ordered, it's basically the same specs, and the car is way bigger because my 0 to 60 is like 4.2. Yours is a 0.2 faster.
6.
The mileage is 340 or 41 miles of range on the 2024 Model 3. This is basically the same, but the only big difference is that you got a lot more space. The vehicle is way bigger. The interior is like, so is this upgraded? I know it's like white in here. I don't remember.
This is
standard.
This is a part of the foundation. I don't know what the regular ones are going to look like when it comes time for people to order those, because even when you go and try to order a regular one, like non-foundational one, it doesn't let you necessarily design the interior.
Yeah.
So this white decor, that was one of the things in the foundational, was white decor premium interior. And check out that badge there too.
Yeah, I saw one right here, one on the outside. Let me hold the camera. This steering wheel is different than your Model S, for sure.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I have the traditional, wheel, and remember, I have the 2013 Model S.
Yeah.
I mean, those were the originals. So my wheel looks like a normal car, but this is like, it's almost like they did the yoke, but they put the top.
Yeah. It's definitely like the shape of a yoke,
but so, and then just the steer-by-wire. I'm interested to see what that feels like. You can actually see it on the screen moving in real time too. Yeah, the turn radius I heard was like very good for this car. Right. So the steer-by-wire, apparently they were only using that in airplanes, but all of the cars, it was always mechanical steering.
In your Model S, did you like ever do like pin to drive or pin to like open the glove box and stuff?
I've used pin to drive a couple times, but I never kept it on.
And this new LED, I guess,
ambient lighting.
You can change it.
Toolbox or lights?
Or it could be in lights. I don't know. That's a completely new feature to me. Usually the lighting stuff is in toolbox.
Okay, let me just check.
Oh yeah, accent lights. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, that ambient lighting's gonna look sick at nighttime.
Yeah, that's crazy. I think this strip is like a little thinner than the newer Model 3 one, but it's definitely like noticeable at night. You're done with them or no?
I'm done with them. I mean, I just I did everything online prior to getting here, so literally I just had to hit accept and add the key, and it did it automatically. I thought I had to get in the car and set up the key card and whatnot, but no, I just hit accept and it.
What the heck is that? Footwell lights. I just saw that at the bottom under lights. It said like footwell lights. What is that? Is that like under here or something, or? Footwell lights. I'm gonna have to Google that. It's gonna be a lot of like stuff you gotta like customize with this car.
Yeah, I mean,
it's like new, definitely from that version to this.
Yeah. I mean, and I've sat in some of the newer ones, so I just never owned any of the newer ones, but it's gonna take me a while. And this is even this is a completely different UI than the new Model 3 and Y. So I mean, it's going to be a learning curve for me.
Does your driver profile transfer from the Model S to this? Or do you have to create a whole new one?
No, it transferred over.
Oh, so you can...
I'm sorry.
No, you're
probably doing the video, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh, that's nice. I never saw one inside before.
Yeah, this is my first time seeing the inside too. What I'm curious to see is how it actually moves, because, yeah, the car's big, but what I've heard, it still feels small. It still feels like a Tesla.